Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from NEEWER. This is their model number NL-116AI 9-inch soft light. And what it is an LED light with up to 116 LEDs. And this can be used on the top of your camera, this can be used on a tripod, and this is great for content creation or just improving your photography or videography skills. We're going to take a quick look at this right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at everything that comes with this kit here. Again, you get the 9-inch LED light itself. We do get some documentation here. So we're going to take a quick look at the documentation for the NL-116AI. It is in multiple languages, so if English is not your first language, then you are set up here with a few different languages. It's going to show your package contents. It's going to show you the buttons and inputs and LED screen and what they show on the back, how to recharge the unit itself, and how to install it on the cold shoe adapter for angled usage, or if you're going to use this on top of a camera. Lots of good information in here. Hold on to it just in case you need it. Now, this also comes with a built-in 4,000 milliamp battery, and the portable light will offer a runtime of up to 1.5 hours per charge. Can be recharged at 5 volts, 3 amps, and takes about the same amount of time to recharge the light fully. Now you can hook the USB Type A end into an adapter like I just showed you there for a wall adapter, or a PC or laptop's USB port. You do have the cold shoe adapter, which is a standard 1/4 inch, will allow you to, mount this on top of your camera, also a tripod, and gives you a nice little section there to, adjust your angles if you need to. So you do have this adapter that's included. Also included with this is a tripod, and this is more of a tripod that's going to be in a dedicated small space, or maybe on your desk, that type of thing. Maybe if you are live streaming and you need to have a light that's going to just illuminate your face, you could set this up on your desk really easily. Or if you're going to be taking photos of certain objects and you have a small space like the one that I have here, and you just want it directly on the item itself, you're going to have this nice included stand tripod here for you that's included with your purchase. So that's nice that they do include it. It is very quality. It's nice and sturdy. It's not going to have any issues, on your desk or keeping in place wherever you need it. And it's nice and compact. Now, the light itself is a 10-watt max output with a max illumination of 600 lux and a high CRI of 95 plus. At the bottom, you do see a spot for our tripod mount or your cold shoe mount. And then on the back, we do have an LCD screen. We do have a dedicated on and off power button. And we do have a brightness and a color button as well. And the whole LED screen is 119 LEDs, 58 warm and 58 cool. And you can adjust the color temperature here with the right hand, and you'll be able to see that I'll be able to adjust from 5600K by 100K increments all the way down to warmer temperatures like 3200K. So if I need that warmer glow, I can adjust it on the fly there, no problems with the knob on the right. On the left is going to be your brightness. You can change this in 1% increments. Again, at 100%, it's going to be about 600 lux. And you can go all the way down to 1% if you want to. And it does put out some pretty decent lighting. So you're not going to have any issues with the lighting there. Now, I accidentally set that to 0 here. Let me put this up to a few percent. You can see it's still on and still putting out light, but at 100%, you're definitely pumping out some light here that is definitely going to illuminate your subject very well. So overall, my impressions are that you've got metal knobs on the back. Here is the location for where you'll plug in your USB Type-C port there for recharging the built-in battery. No more fumbling with external batteries. I've got some older NEEWER lights that take batteries, rechargeable batteries, so you don't really even have to worry about that anymore. It's all built into the unit. The unit itself feels very premium and sturdy, something that's going to last me a long time. Again, I've used NEEWER lighting since I started my YouTube channel about 10 years ago, and I continue to use their products because they produce great results. Overall, this is everything that you get in the kit here for the NEEWER NL-116AI Soft Light Kit. Okay, so that's my review of the NEEWER NL-116AI 9-inch soft light kit. Now, the things that I really like about this is it's got built-in batteries. I have older NEEWER lights, as I said. They've worked for me great over the years in the past, but I always fumble around with exchanging batteries out of them. This has a nice, large 4,000 milliamp built-in battery for up to 1.5 hours per charge, which I really love. I also love that they've got a nice construction on this, feels sturdy and premium, allows me to adjust that cooler or warmer temperature on my light as well as the brightness. If you're getting into something like streaming or content creation and you need a nice key light for your subject that you're filming, then maybe you want to check this one out from NEEWER. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.